Hello everyone, today we will talk upon a big update for CBSE students as our education minister has tweeted CBSE date sheet 2021 date sheet. So today we will discuss date sheet and 10th 12th for it is very important for examination point of view for 10th and 12th as our education minister tweeted on 2nd of February 2021 date sheet of 2021 for 10th and 12th. So yes, get ready, get prepared for your 2021 exam boards and it will be a turning point. So be prepared and we will discuss strategies, tips, how you can do. So timings of the CBSE 2021 date sheet are as for 10th class, it will start on 4th May till 11th June. You have to take care of the timing and dates as 2021 is delayed exam. And so 2021 in 2021 you have to see how you will give your exam timings, dates. So for 10th class CBSE, you need to know that the examination is starting from 4th May. It will end 7th June 2021. So it will be in morning shift as you will be given question paper at 10:15 and you will start writing on 10:30. So for 12th class, it will start on 6th May. The first examination will be English. So be prepared for English exam and I will help you in getting good marks for CBSE English exams. So focus on your all subjects and we will see how the shifts are changing in 2021. The timings and the shifts are being changed. For 10th class, it will be in morning shift only, but for 12th, it will be in two shifts. It will be in two shifts. The four optional subjects will be in afternoon shift, but the mains examination will be in morning. So as timing will be like this, so don't worry, in 2021 we have faced pandemic and COVID, so you have given that much 1 month time. So be prepared and don't worry, this will make you happen. So I will share tips and strategies how you will score better and good marks in your 12th and 10th CBSE boards as it will be a turning point. So don't worry, you have to be just calm down and study hard. So follow previous year question paper and don't be panic. Revise every chapter and focus on how you can improve day by day. So practice all the questions from chapters and I am doing writing skills series for 12th CBSE English, so you can watch this and I will provide you link for your date sheet and don't worry, there will be link and all the tips and strategies in description. So the first tip is that be healthy and don't make sick. Don't become sick because if you feel sick and stressed, then you cannot focus on your studies properly. So this is the first step, be healthy and focused. So you have to study not only in the morning, you think that you will study in morning, but you need to focus where and how you can focus and sit 2-3 hours for your studies because 12th class have to do so much. So for 10th class, you need to just go through the previous year question paper and you have to be focused and sit 2-3 hours. Like you have to first of all see the question pattern, how the questions are coming and what are the major parts of your subject which is covering most of the exam and most of the marks. So don't worry, you have to just be focused and not that much distract because in that you have to be properly guided and don't worry, I will provide you English, all the writing skills and how you can prepare your chapters, previous year questions, papers. Thank you so much for watching this video. So in preparation strategies, you must follow the time management. The most useful tool is time management because हम क्या करते हैं, हम आते हुए क्वेश्चन भी हम छोड़ जाते हैं due to lack of time in examination because we have to give all equal time to all the questions because time management is the best thing you can do and you can complete your all questions because if you leave some question then all marks will be gone, but if you try attempt any question then you can get a good marks. So time management is the key tool despite of online education and your lack of resources. You all have given so much time and you can prepare well for this examination as you have seen that the CBSE has decreased or reduced the syllabus by 30% and you will get so much time. So all the best and
The link for CBSE date sheet is in the description. Watch, and the time management you should follow. Like I will give a suggestion or a, you can say a tip that you have to follow the 15 minutes before the exam, that you should read the passage in English or Hindi exam. जो 10 साढ़े 10 बजे तक आपको लिखना है उससे पहले जो 15 मिनट होंगे आपको उसको यूटिलाइज करना है, क्योंकि टाइम मैनेजमेंट से ही आपका पेपर बेस्ट जा सकता है. So focus on your time management, and I hope you will give the best examination. All the best. All the links for the date sheet and the tips are in the description. Thank you so much for watching this.